Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will talk about SpaceX's Starship, the most ambitious and powerful space vehicle ever built. Starship is a two-stage rocket that consists of a first-stage booster called Super Heavy and a second-stage spacecraft also called Starship. Both stages are powered by Raptor engines, which use liquid oxygen and liquid methane as propellants. Both stages are also designed to be fully reusable, meaning they can land back on Earth and be launched again within hours. Starship has a height of 120 meters or 394 feet and a diameter of 9 meters or 30 feet. It has a liftoff mass of 5,000 metric tons or 11 million pounds, making it the heaviest rocket ever flown. It can carry up to 150 tons or 330,000 pounds of payload to low Earth orbit in a fully reusable configuration, and up to 250 tons or 550,000 pounds when expended. That's more than twice the payload capacity of the Saturn V, the rocket that took humans to the moon. But Starship is not just a rocket for low Earth orbit. It is also designed to enable missions to higher orbits, the moon, and even Mars. By refilling Starship with propellant in orbit using tanker starships, it can achieve enough delta V or change in velocity to escape Earth's gravity and reach other destinations in the solar system. SpaceX plans to use Starship to build a permanent human settlement on Mars, as well as a lunar base and a spaceport on the moon. SpaceX has been developing Starship since 2016, following an iterative and incremental approach that involves frequent and often destructive test flights of prototype vehicles. The company has built several test vehicles at its Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas, testing various aspects of the design such as aerodynamics, landing systems, heat shields, and engine performance. Some of these test flights have ended in spectacular explosions, but SpaceX has learned valuable lessons from each failure. The most recent test flight was on April 20, 2023, when SpaceX attempted the first orbital flight of Starship. The mission involved launching a Starship vehicle on top of a Super Heavy booster from Boca Chica, separating the stages over the Gulf of Mexico, landing the booster back on the launch tower using grid fins and thrusters, and sending the Starship spacecraft into orbit around the Earth. The spacecraft was then supposed to perform a controlled re-entry using its 4 flaps and 3 engines and land in the Pacific Ocean near Hawaii. However, things did not go as planned. 4 minutes after liftoff, an anomaly occurred that caused the vehicle to tumble out of control. SpaceX activated the flight termination system, destroying both stages in midair. The debris rained down over the Gulf of Mexico, creating a huge fireball that was visible for miles. Fortunately, no one was injured by the explosion or the falling debris. The cause of the anomaly is still under investigation by SpaceX and the Federal Aviation Administration, which grounded the launch program pending results of a standard mishap investigation. SpaceX founder and CEO Elon Musk said on Twitter that the problem was likely related to a faulty valve in one of the Raptor engines. He also said that SpaceX will build a new Starship vehicle and try again as soon as possible. Despite this setback, SpaceX remains optimistic about the future of Starship and its potential to revolutionize space exploration. The company has already secured several contracts and partnerships for using Starship for various missions, such as delivering cargo and crew to the International Space Station, launching NASA's Artemis program to return humans to the moon by 2024, sending private citizens around the moon with Japanese billionaire Yusaku Misawa in 2023, and launching hundreds of Starlink satellites at once to provide global internet access. SpaceX's Starship is truly an amazing feat of engineering and innovation that could change the course of humanity's destiny in space. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this incredible rocket. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.